Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So for today's video we're going to be trying the new releases from Balibody. They have the instant tan and their brush. I actually still have it sealed here, so you can guys see that I haven't opened it yet. So this is going to be a first impression. So this is let's say body makeup, which I'm really excited. So the reason why I'm quite excited about these products is because I do have some concerns about my skin. Firstly, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but I am a veiny girl. So I have a very pale and light skin and I don't really like that. I am quite conscious. I do hate it, to be honest. It's nothing that, you know, I can control, but I think that this would be great help. And also I have bad pigmentation, so alright, this is how it looks. The packaging, it's really pretty. They both match. There you go, both together. And okay, so this is the light medium and it washes off. It is transfer resistant and fast drying. So this is telling me that I have to act quite quick. Now we're going to get the necklace out of the way and I'm going to try with my chest first and then I'm going to try my legs because I feel like that's something that you guys would like to know. Okay, so it says to hold 15 centimeters away from your skin, so just got a mirror there. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to go. Okay, that looks so much better already. Oh my god. I actually saw some people that they did this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Hopefully. Just on the brush, go like that. Looks like that. And just for like the closer. There you go. That looks really nice. That looks like I just airbrush my skin in real life, just like the bottle says actually, and it matches my face. Oh, thank god. There you go. I don't know if you can guys see, but that looks so perfect. I'm actually going to try a little bit on my arms and see how it looks. In terms of drying, it's already dry. It's not sticky at all. I am actually so amazed. Like I'm touching and nothing comes out. Wow, that's really good. Don't know if you can see here, but this is where I don't like the pigmentation. Like that's probably the worst area of my body. Well, that, oh my god. Oh my god, that's so nice. Wow. Wow. Honestly, I am quite impressed. I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna go on the outside. It does dry really quickly, but it's easy to blend. It's very easy to blend. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna put two of my arms. So that's my arms. I don't know if you can see the difference. That's a difference. That's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm just going to do it evenly now and then I'm going to jump on the legs. I figure I can put the product in the two different ways in the legs and see what I'm more comfortable with. Obviously you can put a towel or you can do it in your bathroom. So awesome. So I'm going to try to just spray it on this one and then the other one I'm going to apply it on the brush and just do it with the brush and see what I prefer. But I think it should be fine with both. Okay, so firstly, shake it well. And now I'm going to, wow, that was super quick. There we go. Wow, that was so quick. I don't know if you guys seen that. That's super quick. I think I prefer this way for my legs. Maybe for my chest the other way because I get more precision and depending what you're wearing. But this is super quick. This one. Wow. That's it. I love it. Okay, so you can guys see the difference. It's super cool. I don't know what you guys think, but I quite love it. And you can see the blemishes really disappear from one to the other. So I'm going to do the brush technique with the other one. Okay. Okay, so these are the legs done. So to be honest, I do prefer doing the legs with just the spray. I just thought it was quicker and easy. It was actually a little bit harder just because of the amount of surface, really. But yes, I think that they blurred my legs quite a bit, and I really like the results. I'll jump on the other angle. Okay, Lucky is trying. So we got one more test to go, and that's the transfer resistant. It does claim that it's transfer resistant, so I'm going to see if it's actually it, and I'm sure it is because it's like nothing there. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you really liked the video. I actually really enjoyed it. It's, you know, it's something different. I usually do other kind of reviews, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you do try it, let us know how you went. Big kisses and stay safe. Thank you for watching.